Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you to my channel Heated on Fire. Today I am going to show you how I prepare my butter at home. So let's get started. But if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then do so. And if you like my video, do check out my other videos and share and like this video. So let's see what ingredients do we require. So first I am washing my hands since naked hands are used in making butter. So I am washing my hands properly with the help of a soap. Now I am taking a blending jug and adding my cream. It's a regular cream in it and blending it for 5 to 6 minutes until all the cream transfers from liquid cream into a thick or solid cream. So it will take 5 to 6 minutes. You can see it has become solid, so it's almost 50% ready now. When it becomes solid, I am going to add water in it. The amount of water should be half of the amount of the cream I used. So I took a bowl of a cream and now I am adding half bowl of water in it and blending it again for 2 to 3 minutes. Now my butter is ready as it has loosened all its sides and has become a big lump. So this means that my butter is completely ready. Now since my butter is ready, it's time to store it either in a fridge or a freezer. If you want to store this butter in a freezer for longer term or to save it or store it, then use a plastic container. But if you are not storing it in a freezer but you want to use it on a regular basis, so use a glass container or any kind of container but with a cap. So here I am using it for regular use or want to store it in a fridge, so I am using a glass container. But if I want to store it in a freezer for longer term or to store it for later use, then I will use a plastic container. After wearing my gloves, I am separating the butter from lassi. It is important to squeeze all the water or lassi from the butter for longer use or just to avoid rancidity. Here I am taking a small amount of butter in my hand and squeezing it gently to remove all the water contents or all the lassi from it. Here I have separated my butter, and now I am going to transfer the milk or the lassi in a glass. I will recommend or advise you not to waste this milk, as you can make a very tasty cup of tea or a milk coffee from it. Believe me, if you use this milk to make tea or a coffee, then you will forget the taste of regular milk. Lastly, I will advise you to remove all the water or the lassi from the butter which we have prepared just now. This will make your butter to retain for longer term in a fridge or a freezer, or avoid a foul smelling that is produced in a butter. So make sure to remove all the water content from it. So this is how I prepared my butter at home, safe from preservatives or chemicals that are added artificially in a pre-made butter. I hope you have enjoyed my video. So don't forget to like and share my video. And if you still hasn't subscribed to my channel, then do so to learn or to see how I prepare my regular dishes. So I will meet you with another easy and tasty recipe. Until then, Allah Hafiz.